Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your inner person's energies towards each other, how they see you as, how they see the relationship, what's going on in between both of you, what is the probable outcome of the situation you are dealing with. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's get started with my Capricorns, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, 10th till 16th of January 2022. What's going on with my Capricorns, please? Wow. Okay, so all right. Okay, so how they see you as Capricorns with the Three of Pentacles. They see you as a person who is really devoted to their work and to other things in life other than love. Okay, so they really like the consistency, they really like the stability which you have, which you take care of, the way you take care of your projects, your work, the other things, as I told you before. They really admire that. Okay, they really like that thing. What else do we have with the Three of Pentacles? King of Wands. See, I told you. So this is a career oriented person. So you could be dealing with I think that you have that strong Aries energy in you, or you could be dealing with an Aries, but they really admire the kind of work you do, the more intense you are towards your work, you are so passionate about your work, so they really like it. Okay, and they feel really attracted towards that kind of a personality. That is why they are with you. How do you see this relationship, or sorry, how do you see them with the Five of Wands? I need to clarify this first because it means a lot. Temperance. You see them as a very silent person, you know. Somewhere you feel like, okay, so this is the person. I really am getting a very confused personality from your end, Capricorns. It feels like you at one time you feel that, wow, this is a very balanced kind of a person who is really balanced in his or her thoughts and mind, and the way they speak. And at some time you really feel that this is a person who is really, not good with their thoughts. They're always confused what they want to do, what they do not want to do. So some kind of a unclarity is coming up from your end towards them. Let me clarify one more card for Five of Wands and Temperance, Ten of Cups. But at the end, I really feel that you are, I think your energies are more confused rather than theirs, because you over here, you think that this is a very good person emotionally. Okay, emotionally balanced this person is, but when it comes to work or other things in life, they are really disturbed, and they get disturbed really easily. Okay, so this can be that energy as well. How they see this relationship as, we have the King of Cups, could be dealing with a Scorpio, but they see the relationship as a long-term relationship. They would really like to, and a very mature relationship. In mature relationship, it doesn't means about you do not feel that this relationship should go like, only attraction and attention towards each other, more about sex and all. No, it's not that. It's more about the emotional stability this relationship has with the Magician energy. So they really see this relationship as a very good and a very strong one, and they would really want to create a good relationship with you. They have that energy towards you. They think big about this relationship. How do you see this relationship? As a Tower. So somewhere you feel that things have not gone, either there was, if this is the same person, if you have already dealt with this person, like it could be a past energies also, where you feel that you should start again in this relationship once again. You should give one more chance, because somewhere the foundation which was built in this relationship was not good, I feel, and you are building it one more time. The tower which you build up together, it fell off, and again you are starting to rebuild it, because that is why you are founding very strong different kind of energies in this person. Tower with the lovers, see, I told you. So this is more like another chance which you are giving to this relationship, and you would also want to take this relationship to the next level. But I think their energies are more clear, Capricorn, over here. What do they want for the relationship? Okay, so obstacles in this relationship is the Hierophant. I feel that somewhere the opinions and the belief which they have and which you have are very different. Okay, so that's why you could not be coming up to a decision, one decision only. So this could be that thing. What else? With the Six of Pentacles, yeah, this is more like a give and take relationship, and the obstacle they feel is either the work which you do. It could be a job also, it could be work related stuff, it could be society, it could be a caste thing which they are feeling that caste is different, and your parents might not get settled for this kind of a relationship, or their parents might not settle. So there's more likely of a societal energy which I feel is coming up from their end, or it could be a difference of opinions as well. So that's why this is an obstacle which is coming up in their end. The obstacles from your end is the Two of Wands with the Death energy. I think this is some kind of a transformation you are thinking about, that you want transformation, you want change in life, and you want to go abroad also. So I feel that you are more into a career thing. So that's why you are devoted in your career. Your main focus is your career at present, and that's why that is the obstacle which is coming towards you. Okay, what are their actions in this relationship? With the Three of Swords I have. Okay, so this is the heartbreak energy. With the Two of Swords, what else do we have? I need one more card. I don't know, but seeing your different energies, they are also getting some vibes, like differently they are seeing this relationship. And when it comes to actions, I don't know, but why their energies quite seem like they really want to take this relationship to the next level, but now the actions which are coming up are not coming up, that they're pausing. Okay, so you know what I mean? It's more like they see this relationship as a very good relationship, but when it comes to actions or taking a decision or taking things to the next level, then they become like, what are you saying? I do not get that. So I think somewhere it's like that. This person needs to become a little mature. They see this relationship in a very mature way, but why aren't they taking any decision? Why aren't they taking any actions? With the Page of Wands over here, they like it, they are passionate about it, they really are enthusiastic about it, but no actions from their end. You know, they're thinking in this way, in this direction, and they're doing in this direction, like, sorry, in this. So this is like north and south pole I'm talking about. So okay, so Nine of Swords energy in your end. What's coming up with the Nine of Swords? What are your actions, Capricorn? The High Priestess, and I really see that you are going deep. You're going deep within your own thoughts and your energies. When to take this relationship to the next level, I'm not seeing that this relationship is going to the next level as of now. Could be later, but during this week, this is more of going slow and going inwards in your own thoughts and your own mind and your heart. And I don't know, but why are you feeling so depressed about a relationship? You do not have to enter into any relationship as of now. Okay, nobody is forcing you, nobody is forcing your person. So you can go with the flow, right? You can just wait, you just can go what is happening. You do not have to take a next step as of all so suddenly. So if you have time to take to think about what is happening. You can take that time. You can take a change in life if you want. If you want a pause in life, you can take that pause. It's, I think somebody is learning tarot or runes or something, mystic powers, working on their mystic and psychic powers as well. Okay. So what about the probable outcome of the situation is the Fool and the Ace of Pentacles. I feel that whatever is happening, you both need to go through your own energies. What is happening in your life, what is happening in their life, you should be like independently go through that energy, and you should understand what is going on, and then coming up again in a very beautiful way. So this is more like that you are together, but at the same time you are not together. So you are doing your things in a very different manner. So do it, you do it, your person should do it, and then coming up again. So this is more, I do not see any breakups over here. I do not see any big decisions taking up. So you are taking it slow. So take it slow, Capricorns. It's a very good thing to be going on. Alright, so that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.